Assalamualaikum friends, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. So today we are going to make pie, which is mutton pie. So here I'm taking 4 payas. 4 pie I'm taking here and wash it completely, perfectly wash it. Now I'm here taking some 3 medium size of onions, which is normally sliced, half cup of yogurt. I'm also adding here some meat with bones. It's about 250 grams. It's an optional thing. If you don't want to add any meat, you can skip it. So 2 black cardamoms, 2 to 3 cinnamon sticks, 1 teaspoon of cloves and 1 tablespoon of anise star. So here I'm taking one half teaspoon of allspice powder, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. So let's start making it. Firstly, we have to just boil these paya. So start. Add Bismillahirrahmanirrahim paya in it, onions, spices, ginger garlic paste, water. We have to add 2 bowls of water because we have to make it tender completely. So 2 bowls wasn't enough, so I have taken 3. So now we will cover it after boiling and cook it on the low flame. After 1 hour, I have added here some green chilies, and so now I'm adding here some meat with some bones, as you can see, because I want it. If you don't want it, you can skip it. It's an optional thing. I've added some salt, 2 tablespoons of salt. Boiling, we'll cover it and we will cook it on a medium flame because we have to tender that meat also. After 3 hours, it's done. Our meat and our bones are completely tender now. Now the stock, there's a stock, as you can see. I'm gonna strain it out. Now we will strain out all the stock of the mutton. First we will heat up the oil. Firstly we will add the masala, these spices that I've separated from the stock. Now we will add turmeric powder, red chili powder, cumin. Take a non-stick pan so it won't get a stick. Coriander powder, we will roast it completely. Don't do this on high flame. We are roasting on medium flame. So now I'm adding this boiled meat and bones that we separated from the stock. Now we will roast it. This pie is really gonna be yummy. It's gonna be so delicious. Make it and share your experience. How is it? Now I'm gonna add the yogurt. Now increase the flame. So now after roasting it, I'm gonna add allspice powder. Now we will mix it and keep roasting it, because as you can see 5 minutes ago I have added here some yogurt. So we have to make sure that all the ingredients and all the spices should be completely done. Can be perfectly done. Add 1 cup of stock. Roast it again. Now, so all the water is dried. Now I'm gonna add all of the stock here, or all the stock is here. Give it a boil. So now it's getting boiled, so I'm gonna add coriander leaves. If coriander leaf is not available in your city or country, so you can replace it by cilantro. It will give the same or approximate same taste to you. Add 4 to 5 green chilies. Okay, now I think it's not clear. Okay, so now it's boiling. Leave it for 5 minutes. Now it's done. Our mutton paya is complete now. In the end, you can garnish it with some ginger, having a julienne cut. So serve it immediately and with hot naan. And I hope you guys like watching this video. If you did, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. We'll meet you in another video with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.